Hi. So this is a user journey mapping or user journey tracking. We worked with a FinTech company. So the FinTech company had an app, FinTech financial tech app. So they had an app where users make payment in installments, different promotions, and they tied up with different retailers, different vendors, grocery shops, kind of different vendors they had. The FinTech app had different customers, right? So what happens here is the user journey they have is, so the FinTech app promotes different customers, say retail X, retail Y, so they come up with different promotions and they advertise on different platforms. And user sees the ad from the FinTech company and then they click on the FinTech company and they land on the FinTech app or FinTech web, right? And then they browse the products on the FinTech company's web on their retailers or their groceries or whatever it is. And then they exit. They don't buy on the FinTech app, right? And then they later on, after 2-3 days, they directly goes to the store and then they scan the QR code and they purchase. The problem the FinTech company came up is to us is where they couldn't able to go back to their customer or this other, say X retail or Y grocery, and they can't go back and say, here we promoted you guys and you get this many purchases on our app, or this promotion or this type of products are being purchases by this kind of advertisement or this kind of platform. So they had a break in their user journey because the user left. The user sees that, clicks that, and then they goes to the store and then they scan the QR code and they purchases. So they came to us what sort of solution we can give. So here we came up with a solution, a simple solution where we implemented UTM. When they click the ads, we implemented the UTM campaign tracking and the social medium, and then on the same way on the QR code scan also we separate this QR code where the QR codes being scanned and we track them. We implemented the different campaign same for each QR code on the cashier or on the display or wherever they purchase it, right? Here what happens, so we were able to give them a report. This is an example user journey reports that we generated for them. Say for an example, a user's search for something and sees the FinTech app advertisements and they click and they land on the FinTech app, do the research, and then the third day they have seen a social reels and they come to the app, and then third day direct, and the fourth day a FinTech email campaign have been worked, and then they goes to the store and the scan the QR code on the front desk and purchase it. So since we know the campaign names what we have put it up, we are saying that it's a QR front desk. So same way, different user journeys. If you can see, there are search happen, then an email campaign direct, and then a QR display. So a QR code have been this thing. If you see the last user journey, which is very interesting, social image have been clicked, and then a social paid video, and then a direct, then an email, and he have done it on the QR front desk, but they didn't do the purchase. He stopped there, and then later on goes to web and search and did the purchases. So its users have different touch point. So we would be able to track and give them proper user journeys and reports what they wanted, and they went back to the customers, say for the retailers or the groceries, and show them, okay, here we advertise this much, we have brought in this many revenue. This is a small user journey mapping that we have worked with a FinTech company. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you.